Alright guys, you're going to want a picture of yourself with your face mostly towards the camera. The more forward facing your face is, the better. And then you're going to want most of your head, if not all of your head, available to erase. And then you're going to want to find a backdrop or a background on Google Images and save it to your phone. I suggest saving it because it'll make the quality better for your background. And then you're going to want to take that selfie or that portrait of yourself and erase all of the background. This is why it's important to have most of or all of your head in the shot. That way your head's not flat in one area, because it's going to matter once you don't have any background or anything. You know, it's going to look weird. So make sure you have most of your face visible, or most of your head in the shot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is a little out of sorts, but if you have read the title, you know I'm trying to teach you how to make a intro like mine. So just stay tuned, give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this in the future. Once you're done erasing the background, you're going to want to save it to your camera roll, and it will save the picture without a background. And most of these apps have ads, but for free you can't really beat it. Then you're going to want to go down to that app and select plain image. You can go to the black or the white, scroll through till you find the green in the color, click on that one, and then you're going to want to click on use and then add image, pick your picture that you've cropped all the background out of, and then you can center it, resize it, and then save it again to your camera roll, and then you're going to go into the next app. This app is what's going to give your face the motion, like the wink and the mouth movement, and it's going to look strange. That's why you want your face as forward facing as possible and your mouth closed if possible. I've played with this app several times, and you want those eyes only in the color of your eye. If it's any bigger, it looks super strange. You want to make sure the dots are on your mouth the right way, and then once you've got that correct, you're going to hit OK. You're going to hit the little record button, and then you're going to save it. This app is where everything's going to come together. You're going to start anew, you're going to do YouTube vlog, you're going to click that little plus, add a picture, and that's where the little backdrop's going to come in. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to go to video clip, I think that's what it's called, and add it to on top of that video sticker. You're going to add that on top. From your camera roll, you're going to pick the one with the green screen, and then you're going to save that or press done, and then you're going to go to mask and hit the green screen, and then it'll make it blend in more. You can center it wherever you want to, and then you go to Q and make it just a little bit shorter than the backdrop. Then you're going to go to YouTube and find a transition. You can do smoke, liquid, whatever you want. Find the one you like, add it on top, and you can stop it wherever you want. You can do the in and out wherever you like. I just pressed done, and then I largened the screen, that's probably not right, to fit on top of my background. And then I also hit mask so that it was no longer green screen, it matched the background. And then you can cue it to start wherever you want. I just played it from the beginning, and then you can add your text to name your channel. You can pick the color, the font, all of that, and then you're going to save it to your camera roll. You can add music to the background if you want. I personally did not. This certain particular green screen came with a sound, so I didn't have to add anything. And that's it, you're done. I mean, it's not as nice as the cartoon ones everybody has, but for free and using a couple of phone apps, it'll work until you can afford to pay someone, or you just have the equipment to draw and whatever else you need to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.